What happens to the body if you use castor oil for 30 days, and how to use it internally and externally? Castor oil is a natural oil extracted from the seeds of the castor plant and is known for its many health and beauty benefits. First, benefits when used externally stimulate hair growth. Castor oil contains fatty acids such as ricinoleic acid, which enhances blood circulation in the scalp and stimulates hair growth. After 30 days of use, you may notice an increase in hair density and a reduction in hair loss. Moisturize the scalp. Castor oil acts as a natural moisturizer, helping to combat dryness and dandruff. Regular use may lead to a healthier and more comfortable scalp. Improve skin health. Moisturize the skin. When used regularly, castor oil helps moisturize the skin and prevent dryness. After 30 days, you may notice smoother and fresher skin. Fight acne. Thanks to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, castor oil can help reduce acne and soothe irritated skin. Reduce wrinkles and signs of aging. Castor oil contains antioxidants that help fight free radicals, which may reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines when used regularly. Improving the appearance of eyelashes and eyebrows. Castor oil can promote the growth of eyelashes and eyebrows when applied regularly, resulting in a thicker and healthier appearance within 30 days. Second, benefits when used internally. A natural laxative. Castor oil is known for its laxative properties. Eating a teaspoon of it can stimulate the intestines and improve their movement, which helps relieve constipation. Using it for 30 days may help regulate the digestive system, but be careful not to overuse it to avoid dependence on it. Boosting the health of the immune system. Castor oil has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which may help boost the immune system when taken in small doses. Improving joint health. Castor oil can help reduce inflammation and pain associated with arthritis when used topically on inflamed joints, which may lead to noticeable improvement within 30 days. Third, tips for using castor oil safely. External use. It is preferable to test castor oil on a small area of the skin before full use to ensure that there is no allergy. Internal use. Castor oil should be taken with caution and in very small quantities, and it is preferable to consult a doctor before starting to take it, especially if you have a certain health condition or are pregnant. Conclusion: using castor oil for 30 days can provide multiple health and beauty benefits, from improving hair and skin health to strengthening the digestive and immune systems. However, it is necessary to use it with caution and know the appropriate dosage to avoid any potential side effects.